Alright, we have a t-shirt. Open carefully because you don't want to cut your t-shirt.
You would open this up with a screwdriver.
Alrighty. Now the real test with all t-shirts from China is, does it fit?
It's a grown-up one.
I would say
It fits.
it's a little snug for my 55 pounds, 5'6". It's a little snug, and that was size large.